You are important. In this special Law of Attraction video, you're going to find out just how important you really are and what to do when you begin to doubt it. Hi there, important people. This is Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and Alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We love coming to you every single day with empowering videos and podcasts because innately, deep down, Rachel and I both believe that we are important, that we have a mission and purpose to our life. And we believe equally that you are important. So, understanding just how important you are in all of time and space, there never has been, nor will there ever be another exactly like you. There will never be a person that produces the vibration and energy that you produce. You're not only important, you're unique, you're rare, and you're special. But I think it's important to believe that about yourself. You need to believe that you are important. You know, I'm not talking about egotism. I'm not talking about thinking you're some kind of a big muckety-muck, grand poobah, whatever. Letting your ego get out of control. I'm talking about deep down in your soul, in your gut, knowing that you have value, knowing that your dreams are important, your goals are important. Your actions are important. The words that you speak and the life that you live is valuable and important. And that your life has impact on so many other people. Let's pause for a second and take a deep breath. Even though we are just here for a flash, just a flash of time. We are important. Each one of us is important. So say it aloud and mean it. Don't say it from your ego. Say it from your heart, from your soul. I am important. I am important. Now take another breath. And say these words with me. I bring love and value to all that I do. I bring love and value. I enrich the world around me because this is my time. This is my moment. In all of eternity, this is my now. I am important. High flyers, one of the most important affirmations I believe any human being can say repeatedly every day is, I am worthy. I am worthy. Feel that vibrate through your entire energy field. Remember, your energy field, your aura, is composed of your beliefs and the thoughts that you think. That's why when you get around some people who have they've got negative thoughts, you just feel kind of icky around them because their aura is filled with all those limiting beliefs. But you don't have that. You're soaring high like a beautiful eagle, and you're allowing positive, optimistic, empowering thoughts to permeate your body, your energy field, your mind, and your aura. A little child who is selling Kool-Aid along the side of the road, his or her dreams and goals are just as important as a king, a pope, or the president of the United States. Nobody's dreams and goals are more important to the universe than anyone else's. Your dreams and goals are important, but unless you believe they're important, unless you believe that you are important, your dreams and goals tend to shrink and diminish in size and value. Always hold on to them, believe that they are important, and that you are important. And so, high flyers, when you have worry come upon you, you're worried about your job, you're worried about your career, you're worried about your relationship, worry, ask yourself this question: would an important individual, unique in all of time and space, worry? Or would they create? Would they manifest? What's the answer to that? The answer is they would create, they would manifest, they would affirm, they would love, but they wouldn't choose worry. Give it up right now. Just give it up. Give up the worry. I'm too important to worry. The next is doubt and fear. I don't know if this will work. I don't know if I'll get that job. I don't know if I'll be able to pay the rent. I don't know if she'll come back to me. I don't know if he will love me anymore. I don't know if my car will start. But you're too important. Oh, take a deep breath. Say, I'm too important to allow fear and doubt into my life. I'm too important. What would an important person do? They would take action. They would set goals. They would have a plan. They would fill their mind and their energy field with positive thoughts and affirmations. But they wouldn't give in to fear and doubt. And high flyers, neither will you. From the moment you come out of your mother's womb, everything is uncertain. And then there's this illusion of certainty for a few years. If you're lucky, if you have good parents, a mother and a father, they take care of you, they put food on the table, there's this illusion of certainty. And children need that illusion of certainty to build confidence, to build a base, a foundation on which to springboard from. But the truth of the matter is, everything is uncertain. But that's okay, because you're important. And when you're important, you can deal with uncertainty. I relish uncertainty. I can embrace uncertainty because I'm important, because I'm confident, and because I'm worthy. So beautiful high flyers, when you go to bed tonight and you have all those beautiful dreams and you wake up the next morning, tomorrow morning, the first words out of your mouth, stretch. I am important. I belong here. This is my time. I am worthy of this moment. I am worthy of the challenges before me. And I embrace them and am equally excited to take on the day. You are important. Have a beautiful day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.